up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here, and as you guys know, I picked up this Fiesta ST around 2 months ago, and right off the bat they say they valeted the car. The seats were absolutely terrible. It had about 5 to 6 years worth of dirt in it, and I don't really think that it's been cleaned. So I thought, while I'm doing my essential shopping, I'm gonna nip to Tesco's and see if there's any products there that I can probably use to clean up these seats. I don't have a wet vacuum, so this video is gonna be for the people that don't have a wet vacuum. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to Tesco's and see what they got. Yeah, so when I went to Tesco's and I saw this carpet stain remover, this should get the stains out. Hopefully it does. And yeah, very excited. Let's go give this thing a go. So currently, this is what my seats look like. They're very dirty. Not very, but you can see there's a bit of stains there. Even up there, up on the bolsters as well. A bit more along here. See, it's just dirty overall. Even in the back seats are a bit dirty as well. This is it right here. So first you gotta open it up, and you get like this little tab right there. Pin it. Yeah, this is a fork. This is all I had. So leave me alone. Put me back on. Shit. So right off the bat, I gave the seats a little scrub, and it's still doing its thing there. I slapped on the heated seat so it can dry quicker. And there's some parts that look patchy because it's drying, but overall it looks pretty damn good. Even the back seats as well. I've done the back seats. Yeah, fam, that part's drying quicker. Even that part too, because of the sunshine. But yeah, I put the heated seats on, they're just drying. I'm gonna spin the car around and leave it in the sun, so I'm probably gonna come back in about 2 hours and see how it's doing. But overall, it's literally, look how red the ST logo is. Jesus Christ, but that is so red. Look how red the logos are, bro. I'm probably gonna scrub up this Recaro seats as well. Yeah. Alright, so let's get it. Yeah, so guys, the seats are cleaned. Absolutely smashed it. That's like one of the best products I've used for the seats. 100% recommend it. £3. What more can you ask for? Look how bright the ST logo is. Like, this is not a joke. This is fucking bright. Like, the seats are clean. The grey is grey. Like, light grey are 6 years of dirt done in just like what, 10 minutes? Definitely go pick it up if you haven't. I'm gonna leave I can't leave a link because it's in Tesco's. Yeah, man, I think that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost close to 1,000 subscribers, so share with your friends and just smash it. So it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.